Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brain Prissy. I talk all about natural hair, how to take care of your hair and stuff. And on today's video, we're doing a video for hair growth, hair texture, hair fall, and hair breakage. So for today's video, we'll be using two separate powerful ingredients: fenugreek and blackseed. Now, fenugreek is like an ancient ingredient that is very good for hair fall, in controlling hair fall. And in fact, fenugreek generally has so many different properties. It cleanses the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it gives you a glowing skin, it has anti-aging properties, and fenugreek has so many properties. So we'll be using fenugreek and we'll be using black seed. Now black seed is one of the ingredients I love because it controls thinning hair. Yeah, black seed is good for thinning hair. If your hair is thinning out, you can use black seed. And so many people these days, especially those relaxed hair queen, they often experience thinning hair. So thinning hair, if you want to control your thinning hair, relax for the relaxer. Don't relax your hair again. Don't add anything to your hair again. Just keep using black seed, either as oil, either as juice, anyhow you want to use it, as a mask, anyhow you want to use it, but just keep using black seed and this particular mixture. And trust me, in a period of 1 month, 2 months, in a period of 1 month, 2 months, you would have experienced massive hair growth, and you find difference. There'll be a very big difference. So I'll be adding hot water to this mixture, and trust me, I'll be leaving this for a very long time. Like, you can leave it for as long as you wish, 48 hours, but me, I will leave mine for 24 hours. So black seed is an adjuvant, meaning it works well with other ingredients. So many ingredients you can use. You can add black seed with, like, you can add black seed with fenugreek, you can use it with green tea, you can use it with coffee, anyhow you want to use it. So you can just use it, but that means it welcomes so many kinds of ingredients. Here you get, it welcomes different kinds of ingredients. So many kinds of ingredients. Here you get, it welcomes different kinds of ingredients. Feel free to experiment with black seed. So, like I said, thinning hair. I researched the picture, and this hair is wow. This hair has thinned out a lot, and we need to be careful because our little activities destroy our hair. Now, for split end, so many people, especially those relaxed hair queen, natural hair community, we have split end, but we are scared of, oh, how is split end? How is this? How is that? That's a picture of split end. So, split end is actually not welcomable in our hair because it end up damaging the other hair. So I left it for about 24 hours. I left mine for 24 hours. Yeah, I left mine for 24 hours. So I will filter this stuff out, and then I will leave it, and then I'll transfer it to my spray bottle and apply on my hair. Now, while we are doing that, let's talk about the benefits of black seed. Like I said, black seed work with other ingredients to enhance hair growth. It curbs hair fall, it stimulates hair growth, it conditions and softens hair, it promotes blood circulation on the scalp, it massage into your scalp, it controls thinning hair, it regulates imbalanced hair growth cycle, and it activates the hair follicles. It nourishes your hair, increases shine and texture. Black seed, when infused in coconut oil can hydrate, strengthen hair strands for healthier hair growth due to the essential fatty acids. It suits the scalp as it contains inflammatory properties, and when infused in coconut oil, it helps promote hair growth. So black seed is arguably one of the best natural ingredients for hair. It has antibacterial, antifungal properties which protects the hair from scalp problems. Scalp problems is one of the things that we have these days, and it makes your hair shiny and smooth. It prevents premature graying of hair, and it protects the hair from UV rays, ultraviolet rays, sun rays. Yeah, actually protects your hair from. So I'll apply this stuff to my hair and I'll work it into my hair, like I'll work it. Now let's talk about the benefits of fenugreek. Fenugreek contains lecithin, which acts as a natural emulsient that conditions and moisturizes your scalp deeply. It slows down the activity of DHT, a type of hormone that causes shedding and hair breakage. It fights dandruff, it fights damaged hair, it fights dandruff and flakiness, controls scalp inflammation and shine and soft texture, prevents premature gray hair, prevents hair loss, it stimulates the scalp, it's for shiny and conditioned hair. So these two ingredients, you can see they work with your scalp and they work with your hair. They promote hair growth, both of them. So you see, you can do so many things in one. You can promote your hair growth, you can condition your hair, you can use it in moisturizing your hair, and at the same time you can cause blood circulation to, like blood to flow in your scalp. So for today's tip, we'll be talking about those people that used to make the same type of style, like whether natural or relaxed hair cream. Stop making the same type of style. Like you make it, maybe you are doing 5 cornrows, you'll be doing 5 cornrows for the past 6 months. Before you know, your hair will start thinning out. That particular place, you'll lose a lot of hair. Your hair will start thinning out, and you trust me, you will not like your hair again. So change your hair. Maybe if you are making like 5 cornrows in the same pattern, always the same pattern, change it to like maybe like 7 or 8 in order to prevent hair thinning. So thanks a lot for watching. This is what I do on my channel. I'm being prissy. I talk about natural hair, how to take care of your natural hair, how to moisturize your hair and stuff.